Hi guys! In this video, Hidemyacc will demonstrate the process of enabling or disabling WebRTC in the macro browser for different scenarios. WebRTC, which stands for Web Real-Time Communication, is a web application programming interface (API) that allows browsers to communicate with each other in real time. This functionality can expose your actual IP address to websites. With Hidemyacc, every time you run a profile, the IP address of WebRTC will be automatically adjusted based on the first IP address of the proxy you are using. Therefore, when using the proxy, it is important to carefully consider whether you should enable or disable WebRTC in the following situations. Regarding the static proxy, or the proxy that retains the same IP address during each profile running process, you have two options. You can either leave it as the default setting, which is altered, which means the IP address of WebRTC is the same as the IP address of the proxy, or you can enter a different IP address, and WebRTC will be configured to use that specific IP. In the case of a rotating proxy, where the IP address changes frequently when using a profile, it is recommended to choose the disable option. This is due to the inherent instability of the rotating proxy, which results in a constantly changing IP address. As a result, the IP address obtained by WebRTC after the initial one will not match. To ensure the security and protection of your accounts, it is advisable to disable WebRTC to avoid raising suspicion. By selecting the disable option, you prevent any potential mismatch between the rotating proxy's IP and the IP captured by WebRTC, thus maintaining a lower risk of detection. Lastly, with the real setting, WebRTC will automatically adopt the IP address of your actual, real-time IP address that you are currently using. Therefore, Hidemyacc has provided you with instructions on how to use the WebRTC feature effectively. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team via Telegram, Facebook, Skype, or WhatsApp to get support as soon as possible. Thank you and good luck!